bird dog. Start in a tabletop position so your knees and hips are in line. Fold forward, keeping a nice straight back, and the heel of your hands are underneath your shoulders. Draw the belly button up towards the lower back. You should feel that your abs have now engaged. From there, we're going to take one leg off and out, and then bring the knee back down again. We're trying to keep your body as still as possible. And you can alternate the legs. To progress, we can start to move one hand and then the other hand. Make sure that this core stays engaged and that you're able to breathe through the exercise and return your hands back underneath your shoulders. As a progression, then we can start to work the opposite sides. So we can take the hand and leg out at the same time. Draw it back in and then swap over.